That's the only two things. So if you're getting something about crypto or trading, it's not me. So automate, you guys. I want to call this, it's your freedom machine. Okay. Let me explain to you why it's your freedom machine. Because it's always working for you 24/7. This is what I couldn't wrap my head around. First of all, when I seen automations, I was terrified. Okay, I was terrified because I do not like tech. I don't want to learn tech. I didn't want to build funnels. I didn't want to do any of that. So when I was able to get a plug and play, proven to work system and just plug my information in and get my own domain, mine is dailypaybusiness.com. Because I love the fact that we can get paid daily through automations. Okay. If you want to check it out, go right here, dailypaybusiness.com. Check it out. Okay. And I'm going to explain it to you real quick, but when you check it out, I want you to do it in a two-part. So automations, what it is your business is fully automated. So when you're spending time with your family, when you're sleeping or doing the things that you need to do or want to do, your automated system is working for you 24/7. You guys, this is what gives you your life back. When I was trying to make money before selling a $9 product, right? Selling a $9 product, you guys, you know what I was doing? I was spending so much time on my phone DMing back and forth and talking to people, getting on the phone with people, following up with people, bothering people through DMs. I don't do that anymore. So I'm saying if you're getting a direct message from me on TikTok, it is definitely not me. Be safe, you guys. There's a lot of people that don't build businesses in the ethical way. So just be safe. So my point is the automations, I literally could walk out of my office and still be able to make money. It's called passive income. And here's why. I want to explain it to you because I can tell you this right now. When you can understand this, it will change your life. It will change your world. This is what took me from struggling, looking at my bank account, going, how the hell did it get here? Super disappointed in myself, stressed and overwhelmed, thought I would have way more money and way more time with my children, to having complete freedom. We literally just got back from a 3-week trip in Europe. We started in Rome. We did the coast in Italy. Then we hung out in Turkey. And then we hung out in Greece. And my business worked for me 24/7. Some days I didn't even open my social media. And I still made really, really good money because of this. So let me share with you what it looks like, because this is what each and every one of you should have today, no matter what you're promoting. Okay? It's the game changer. Okay. So, and by the way, I hope when I shared with you how we just got back from that 3-week trip, that you just dreamed big of what it would be like. Matter of fact, let me know if time or money wasn't in your way, what's on your bucket list? What's that dream trip that you would take? Can you guys let me know in the chat? Because I would love to know that. Okay, I would love to know that. Because this was on my bucket list. But 2 years ago, I didn't think it was possible. Now here I was, I just did it. So I want you to know, whatever I share with you, I want you to look at me and be like, okay, if she can do it, I can do it. Jamaica, Grand Canyon, Belize, yes, I love it. Bora Bora, oh, so good, yes. You guys, write that down. Yes. Travel America to see friends and family. I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's go. Ready? Okay. It looks just like this. Okay, so what happens is, this is called capture. Okay, this is called a capture page. This is a video page. Okay, and then this is, this is a video page. Oh well, anyway, thank you page. Okay, pretty simple, right? And I'm going to explain it all, you guys. Hang with me here because this is really important. Okay. So this is a pre-built system that when people discover your business, Okay, when people discover your business, they immediately go here, which is the capture page. And this box has what they're looking for, and they put their email in right here to get that information. The moment they put their email in, they're immediately sent to this page that has the video explaining how they get access to what they asked for. So for example, I give people the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's the exact blueprint that I followed, went from stress and overwhelm, brand new on TikTok, to 6 figures in 6 months. It's the exact blueprint. I give it to everybody for free. All they got to do is follow it. So that's exactly what they get. And I explain in this video that it goes to their email. If you don't see it in 5 to 10 minutes, check your spam or promotion. Value, value, value. And then this is what is sent in their email. This also has a video. Now here's where it gets really, really, really good. Because I shared with you, I used to do network marketing and I would have to be on the phone or trade time for dollars.